Giikaro kia miaraho ya muthenya wa ira mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a kirari gia kwaririria uria mbunge ino ikugathika watho na mutaratara wa kung'ethanira na ndawa cia kurebia. Ndereti ino irambiriirio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini Eric Kamande akiuga ruhonge rwa thirikari rwa kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia na unyui wa njohi utari githimi na kanda ni rwiriga kuga Murang'a niwe tongoretie hari uhuthiri wa njohi na makiria hari ciana cia thukuru.
Alive to the fact that the county has witnessed increased cases of suicide and teenage pregnancies which has been related to drug and some substance abuse.
Ajumbe ni maranyitire mbaru ndereti ino kuria maugite uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia ukoretwo ri muhinga na ugwati munene kuri mbeu njithi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na bururi handu wa Ruma.
It is too unfortunate because they need to keep on moving with the urge of the drugs. So what do? They go to their homes, they steal. They come to school, they steal the books and they go and sell.
Naguo uhuthiri wa mira kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni wongererekete na njira nene. MCA makiuga kuongerereka gwa ciana nini kuohanda kumanite na uhuthiri wa ndawa ici.
It's our time we need to do something. Just another day we were talking of our pregnancy, Mr. Speaker, in Murang'a. These kids are still young. So when they get drunk, they are lured to go to bed and then they become pregnant.
Kuringana na Spika wa mbunge-ini Nduati Kariuki, kampeni ya kuhurana na ndawa ici yarutia mbunge-ini igutwarwo nginya kuri muingi niguo o mundu arute mawoni make ma uria thina uyu unging'ethanirwo naguo.
Koguo turetua itua thiini wa county assembly ati ni tukwambiria Mbaara nene muno itarioneka ya kuhurana na maundu macio, na nituruteire andu othe mehani meruteire pio kuhurana na Mbaara yo, na Mbaara yo ikwambiria na guthondeka watho murumu muno uhoro wa andu icio niguo enyite andu aria othe makonaine na biashara yo.
Ni ndereti guthie na mbere na yahituka ikiro ciothe tuike watho uria ukung'ethanira na king'uki giki kia ndawa cia kurebia kaunti-ini ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinuthia.